Hello everyone, welcome to Mastermind. Today let us solve some problems on ages. These are quantitative aptitude questions and are very important for various examinations including KPSC, UPSC, PSI, banking, etc. Let us look at the first question. The sum of the present ages of a father and his son is 60 years. 6 years ago, father's age was 5 times the age of the son. After 6 years, son's age will be. So let us assume that the age of the sun be x. The present age of the sun be x years. So this is the present age of the sun. And it is given that the sum of the present ages of a father and his son is 60 years. So this means that the present age of the father will be 60 minus x. So when we add both the things, we'll get 60. X plus 60 minus x is 60. So let us assume that the present age of the son is x, so that naturally, according to the condition of the question, the present age of the father becomes 60 minus x years. So then, according to the next data that is given, 60 years ago, father's age was 5 times the age of the son. So since the age of the father is 60 minus x, 6 years ago, 60 minus x minus 6. 6 years ago, father's age was 5 times the age of the son. So even here we will have to subtract it by 6. So what we have done is we have subtracted both the ages of son as well as father by 6 years, because 6 years ago father's age was 5 times the age of the son. So we have included 5 in the equation here. So next, after solving this, we'll get that 60 minus x minus 6 equals 54 minus x equals 5x minus 30. So again, when we solve this, we will get 6x equals 84. In other words, x equals 14. So x equals 14. That is the present age of the sun. Present age of the sun is x, and it has come to be, that is, we have find it out to be 14 years. So what is the question? Now there is option 14 years. Please don't mark. Please carefully understand the question. After 6 years, sun's age will be. So they're asking what is the age of the sun after 6 years from now on. So what we have to find is x plus 6 years. So x plus 6 years is 14 plus 6 equals 20 years. Therefore, after 6 years, the age of the sun will be 20 years, and the right answer here is option D, 20 years. Now, the second question says the total age of A and B is 12 years more than the total age of B and C. C is how many years younger than A? So, we will have to solve this by understanding the problem thoroughly. The problem says the total age of A and B is 12 years more than the total age of B and C. That means we'll have to form equations. According to the question, A plus B, that is the total age of A and B is 12 years more than B and C. So it is 12 years more than B and C. This is the equation that we have to arrive at by looking at the question. If you understand the question properly, this equation you will have to arrive at. So now let us solve this. Let us send B plus C this side. So what happens is A plus B minus B plus C equals 12. So A plus B minus B minus C equals 12. So B gets cancelled out. A minus C equals 12. So now if you look at the question, C is how many years younger than A? First of all, A minus C equals 12. This means A should be greater than C. So this implies that A is older than, or A is elder than C. Therefore, option C is gone. And the difference of ages between A and C, A minus C equals 12. So even 24 is gone. Since the difference A minus C equals 12, the right option is option A, 12. Please look at the third question now. It is a very tricky question. Rajan got married 8 years ago. his present age is 6.5 times his age at the time of his marriage. Rajan's sister was 10 years younger to him at the time of his marriage. The age of Rajan's sister is. So, first of all, let us assume Rajan's present age be X years. Rajan's present age be X years. So, the Rajan's age at the time of his marriage, let the Rajan's age at the time of his marriage, according to the data, it become he was married 8 years ago. So, at the time of his marriage, his age would be X minus 8 years. And also, it has also given Rajan's sister was 10 years younger to him at the time of his marriage. So that means Rajan's sister's age, let us write it down, Rajan's sister's age at the time of his marriage, at the time of his marriage was X minus 8, that is she was 10 years younger to him. X minus 8 minus 10, so this becomes X minus 18 years. Now let us say his present age is 6.5 times his age at the time of his marriage. So his present age is X, and it is given that it is 6 by 5 times at the age of times his age at the time of his marriage. 6 by 5 at the time of his marriage, his age was X minus 8. We have written it down here. So it is X minus 8. Solving this, we get 5x equals 6x minus 48, and when we solve this we get x equals 48 years. Therefore, Rajan's present age is 48 years. Then Rajan's sister age at the time of his marriage will come out to be X minus 18. That is, according to this equation, Rajan's sister's age is X minus 18. X is 48. 48 minus 18 equals 30 years. However, this is Rajan's sister's age at the time of his marriage. Now, it is 8 years have elapsed since his marriage. So, now we will have to add 8 years to the Rajan's sister's present or age at the time of his marriage. That becomes 30 plus 8, which is equal to 38 years. Please don't get confused. The age that we found out here was 8 years ago. That's why we added 8 to 30 to make it 38 years here. Therefore, the right option is option C, 38 years. So, in order to arrive at the present age, we had to add 8. Now, consider the fourth question. This is a fairly simple question. So, the sum of the ages of 5 children born at the interval of 3 years each is 50 years. What is the age of the youngest child? Let us assume the age of the youngest child be X. Age of the youngest child be X. So then, as per the condition, the children are born at the intervals of 3 years. Therefore, and there are 5 children. Therefore, the ages of all the 5 children will be X, X plus 3 years, X plus 6 years, X plus 9 years, and then X plus 12 years. So totally there are 5 years, and the difference between two kids placed next to each other is 3 years over here. So now, according to the condition, the sum of the ages of all these children should be 50 years. So let us see. Let us add all this. X plus 3 plus X plus 6 plus X plus 9 plus X plus 12 equals 50. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5x plus 30 equals 50. Therefore, 5x equals 20. X equals 4. Therefore, X is the age of the youngest child. Hence, the answer here is A, 4 years. Last question for the day. Father is aged 3 times more than his son Ronit. After 8 years, he would be 2.5 times of Ronit's age. After further 8 years, how many times would he be of Ronit's age? This is quite a tricky question. So let us see how to solve it. Let Ronit's present age be X years. Let Ronit's present age be X years. Then, as per the data provided in the question, his father is aged 3 times more than his son. Not 3 times the age of his son, but 3 times more the age of his son. So, father's age will naturally become, according to the question, X plus 3x, x plus 3x years. So according to this, he is aged 3 times more than that of his son. His son's age is x, so he is aged 3 times more than his son. So it becomes 4x years. Please remember, here it is x, here it is 4x. This is how we deduce the, or we assume the ages of Ronit and his fathers according to the data given. However, the next condition is that after 8 years, he would be 2.5 times of Ronit's age. So what we do, what is the age of Ronit after 8 years? It would be x plus 8. So his age will be x plus 8, while his father's age will be 4x plus 8. 4x plus 8. And according to the condition given, Ronit's father age would be 2.5 times of Ronit's age. So what we have 2.5 is nothing but 5 by 2. So according to the condition, we will have to multiply Ronit's age by 5 by 2 in order to satisfy the condition that prevails after 8 years. So this is the equation we get after satisfying the condition of the question. So solving this, we get 5x plus 40 equals 8x plus 16. So when we solve this, we get 3x equals 24, or x equals 8 years. So Ronit's present age will be 8 years. And what will be the father's age? Father's age is 4x. 4x means it will be 32 years. However, please don't settle here itself. The question is, after further 8 years, how many times would be of Ronit's age? That means they want to know x plus 8 plus 8. This is x plus 16 and 4x plus 8 plus 8, which is 4x plus 16. So 4x plus 16 is the age of the Ronit's father after further 8 years, and x plus 16 is the age of the Ronit after further 8 years. So therefore the ratio would be 4x plus 16 divided by x plus 16. So what is x here? 8. So 32 plus 16 divided by 8 plus 16 is 24. 32 plus 16 is 48 by 24, which is equal to 2. Therefore, after further 8 years, Ronit's father's age would be 2 times of Ronit's age. Please remember, it would be 2 times. Therefore, the right option is option A, 2 times over here. So this is all about problems on ages in this video. Please try to solve similar problems as many as possible. Thank you.